and welcome to the Intel Graphics Performance Analyzer's Quick Tip video series. This video will demonstrate how to apply keyframe functionality in Graphics Monitor to create restore points in a multi-frame stream capture, allowing for faster playback time during profiling. While in Graphics Monitor, you can select the Options button to go into the settings of the tool. Then select the Stream tab where there are two keyframing options that you can utilize while performing a stream capture. The first option is to create a keyframe at a specific time interval in seconds. The default time value is 4 seconds, but you can alter that interval to any value of your choosing. You can open stream capture and your keyframe will be indicated by text on the HUD displaying keyframe triggered. The second option is to create a keyframe at a key press, allowing you to capture a keyframe at any point in the stream. The default keyboard shortcut is the letter K on the keyboard. To test this, you can start a stream capture and press the letter K when you want to capture a keyframe. You can double-click on your keyframe stream capture to open the stream into Graphics Frame Analyzer for multi-frame analysis. The captured keyframe is indicated by a gray bar that's labeled Keyframe Recording. To see keyframing in action, you can select a frame after the keyframe was taken and press the Open button, and Graphics Frame Analyzer will render from that point onwards instead of rendering the entire stream capture. If you're interested in learning more about other features in Intel GPA to find bottlenecks and areas of optimization in your games, continue watching our Quick Tip video series. Thank you for watching. Make sure you like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for new exciting GPA updates and get started optimizing your games today.